Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about how you can give and receive P2P payments. That is peer-to-peer payments on MathsGee. Remember, MathsGee is an academic. It's a school support, student support platform. But the support that we give is not just academic. We also give financial support, right? So it's about the community coming together, sharing knowledge, sharing money, sharing success, right? So the idea is that MathsGee is at the nexus, it's at the center of edtech and fintech. They meet here, and we give you a platform where you can connect, learn, and grow, right? So those are the three things that you can do on the MathsGee platform. So today, I just want to show you how you can get donations or you can receive donations. And the idea of P2P transactions is around the community saying, "Oh, we love how you are participating, adding value to the body of knowledge. We love your questions, we love your comments, answers, and yeah, thank you." So it's a way of thanking you. So the first thing is to go to mathsgee.com. Then you'll get to the website. Once you get to the website, you go to the login area here where you can log in uh, if you have a user, or you can just register here if you're a new user. So I'm going to log in with Google because that's the one I'm using. Okay, there we go. I'm logging in with my Gmail. Okay, you can see I'm logged in there. So once I'm logged in, I can actually start seeing, okay, who's participating? Yeah, okay, let's see this question and answer. Okay, this was the question. It was talking about Michael opening an account, a savings account, and this is the rate. So what is the future value of his investment, right? So that's a finance question. It's a very important subject. And we also know that in mathematics and accounting, finance, they love asking this kind of questions. So I'm going to give a vote of thanks, say, "Oh, I love the question. This is a good question," right? And this was asked by Astronova, right? Whoever that is. And then I see an answer here, and it was answered by MathsGee. Hey, I love MathsGee's answer, so I'm gonna vote and say thank you. And if you are the one who asked the question, you can actually vote for best answer. So MathsGee, I love his answers, so I click on his username or his or her username, and then I come and see what this is their user profile. You can see there, right? And there I can see that there is a button that says donate to MathsGee. But for MathsGee to get this donation, they had to obviously add their banking details on MathsGee so that we can have a way of sending you money, right? So MathsGee, I can see their activity to say, okay, they've got so many points. They are in this platinum level because there are levels to these things, eh? Some are silver, some are gold, bronze, whatever. And you can see this is the real deal, ranked number one, right? And you can see the number of questions, the number of answers, comments voted on, and you can tell. And you can even write on MathsGee's wall and say, "Oh, thank you, man. Thank you for the participation," right? Yeah, so that's just showing some love to MathsGee, right? And you can add that to the wall, right? And you can even see MathsGee's links. If they've added them, you'd be able to see them here to say what they're about and stuff like that. You can even send a private message to MathsGee, right? Now, so if I click on the donate button, then I'll be able to say, okay, my name is Zai and my email is this, and then donation. I just want to say thank you for being amazing on this platform. So that's my message. I'm just showing love to MathsGee for the wonderful participation on the platform. And then I can choose the donation amount. These are pre-populated, but you can choose the custom amount. The moment you choose the custom amount, it invalidates the selected amount there. So I'm just going to go with the 10, Now say process donation. And then now it's time to complete the donation. And this is my payment gateway where I can use a card depending on which payment method I'm comfortable with, or I can scan to pay. That's a method that's there, or snap scan. That's another method, or EFT. And we use Paystack as our payment gateway for this. And once you've done this, then you can actually check out and be done. And then the money goes straight to MathsGee, although the platform takes 5%. So 95% goes to the user, and then 5% to the platform. Yeah, so the 5% includes also the payment gateway fees that we have. So yeah, so that basically this is how you can donate to someone on MathsGee. It's easy, straightforward. Just register and start exchanging value with our community. So remember what I said at the beginning. We are all about education success, student support, and we give you a platform where you can connect, learn, and grow. Thank you.